Just wanted to make this quick video in case anybody else out there is having trouble. This is a 97 Ford Ranger that was just clicking once when it was started. You turn the ignition and it would click one time. Interior lights would come on, but no crank. So I checked my easy things first, cleaned up the terminals, checked my connections, everything appeared fine. I bridged the starter relay over here on the firewall. Same thing, it would just click and click. Long story short, I wiggled these positive cable wires while I was bridging the starter relay with a screwdriver. This one right here threw a spark and I knew that was not normal, so I took these connections off and the wire was broken inside where you could not see. So give that a check, give that a try. Hope you get it all figured out. Have a great night.